Hi class, this is your instructor Megan, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add a Twitter feed to the sidebar of your WordPress site. So in your portfolio tutorial you added a Twitter feed using the Woo Twitter, but unfortunately recently Twitter changed how they allow tweets to be shown. So it used to be that you could just put a widget like that in your sidebar and tweets would appear on your site, but Twitter has sort of taken back control of its tweets and said, you know what, we're not going to do that anymore. We're not going to just let anyone put tweets anywhere. So if you want to create a Twitter feed in your sidebar, what you have to do is go to Twitter and register a widget. So I actually always forget the URL to this. So go to Google and search for Twitter widget. And the first result, widgets Twitter, is the one we want. It's twitter.com/settings/widgets, which I always forget. And we're going to go to this site, and you'll see there's a widget section. I'm already logged in. You might have to log in if you're not logged in. And we're going to go to Create New, and we get this little builder that helps us build our feed. So here in the preview is the feed that I'm making. So I can choose a username. I could create one for Ball State, for example. And you'll see if I click off of it, it updates. And we have options. I can exclude replies, so I'll only see Ball State's tweets and not any replies people have made. Auto expand photos. If there's photos attached to these tweets, then they'll be enlarged. Now, height is default 600, which is about 3 times longer than we're seeing right here. 600 is pretty tall. I'm going to make mine 300 so you can see what that looks like. You can choose between a dark theme and a light theme. And you can actually change the link color. So right now the links are blue. Maybe I want them to be red, like Ball State red. I can change that. That doesn't look very red to me. Let's go down here. Perfect. Done. So now my links are going to be red, and I'm going to create the widget. Now, under the preview, there's some code. You see it says copy and paste the code into the HTML of your site. So I'm going to click in this box, copy the code, and in my dashboard, I'm going to go to Appearance, Widgets, and I'm going to grab the text widget and put it in my sidebar. So you are probably familiar with the text widget from the portfolio when you created your resume button. So we're going to paste in the Twitter feed, follow us on Twitter, save it, and you'll see that my site now has in the sidebar a Twitter feed.